Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Ligonier and it's in the Kingston and St. Andrew area. Now we're going to look at the plazas in Ligonier today. Outside of Constant Spring Road, Ligonier has the most plazas in Kingston and St. Andrew. So we're going to look at them. Plazas as popular as Sovereign, Sovereign North, Progressive Plaza, Lane Plaza, Ligonier Plaza, a lot of plazas. But Ligonier is a very busy area, but it also has a lot of residential neighborhoods around it. Barbican, Jackshill, Millsboro, Whitcomb, those are just a few. Hope Pastures, Mono. It's a large, it has a very large population. So as you will know, once you have such a large population, you're going to have plazas around it, and Ligonier has a lot. Okay, so we're on Barbican Road. If we turn left, that would take us on to Charlemont, which will take us up to Hope Pastures. Okay, so on the right now is Sovereign North, and still further down there's another plaza called Sovereign. That was the first Sovereign Plaza, and it did very well, and it's like an iconic landmark in Ligonier. It's actually one of the top plazas in Jamaica. So they have expanded, and they have Sovereign North, Sovereign Boulevard, Sovereign Portmore. So this is Sovereign North. Very nice plaza, has a lot of food stores. No supermarket or pharmacy. It's mostly food stores. You have Domino's, you have a Chinese restaurant, you have a coffee house, you have Uncorked, you have the Rib Cage, a lot of food restaurants. It's very popular. Okay, it has a lot of parking. So if we turn left, that will be more parking. Alright, I'm going to look at another plaza now. It's called Progressive. I think it's Progressive Plaza. So it's practically right in front of Sovereign North. Okay, the official name is Progressive Shopping Center. Okay, this is a very new plaza. I think it was opened this year or late last year. And no supermarket, but it has a lot of food stores. These are smaller plazas, but very popular. Candy Craze is over there. A lot of food stores, too many to name. Wow, very nice plaza. And there's a lot of parking. If we turn right, there's parking underneath the building. Okay, going back out onto Barbican Road now, and straight ahead on the right is Burger King. Okay, on the left is Orchard Village, which is another plaza. This Burger King on the right has a drive-through, and on like a Friday night or a Saturday night, the line for the drive-through is so long it comes out and blocks up the road. I mean, I'm all for people getting food, but it's ridiculous when they block up the road, and well, you know, not much happens. Okay, I guess this plaza is not open, but there are cars in there. Alright, well, this is Lane Plaza. It has a high-low supermarket in it. And it has a lot of, it has a very popular pharmacy too, Lane Pharmacy. And I think it has a casino in there. I'm not sure if it's still there, but there was a casino in there. Okay, now we're coming to probably the number one plaza in Ligonier, which is Sovereign. This one was built quite a long time ago, but it has always been one of the more popular plazas in Jamaica. On the right is Sovereign Supermarket, which is the only supermarket over here. This plaza has a cinema in it. It also has a lot of stores. It has a food court, but it has a bank. Okay, let's take a look at the bank. But it has a pharmacy. It has everything. It's like every kind of store you could think of is in here. Not just food stores and not just like retail stores. There's a Flow, a Digicel, a computer store. There's a coffee house or Cafe Blue. And that's the bank, Sagicor Bank, that we just passed on the right. Today is Good Friday and it's a holiday in Jamaica, so that's why the plaza is empty. So I figured today would be a good day to make some videos because the road wouldn't be too busy. Okay, I'm sorry, but this is the first I've seen a car decorated like this in Jamaica. The car that was just in front of us, it's completely decorated, advertising something. It's like, I'm not sure what it is, but you don't see that every day. Okay, over here is Amar's Monarch Pharmacy. There's a hardware store. Where Amar's used to be a nightclub called Mirage. And when that nightclub opened in Jamaica, it was one of the nicest nightclubs in the entire Caribbean. It had TVs in the ground. Very, very popular nightclub. Very modern when it was built. Not sure what happened, but it lasted a couple of years and then it was turned into a Mars. Okay, straight ahead is Jade Garden. It's a Chinese restaurant. And the movie theater has 2 cinemas in there. I think it's Palace Cineplex is the name. Not sure if that's the official name, but it's the part of the Palace Cineplex family. Okay, straight ahead now is another mall. And there's a post office over there, Express Fitness across the road. That's another mall. I think that one is Ligonier Post Mall. And there's a post office over there too, so that's probably why it has that name. Okay, as you can see, Ligonier has a lot of malls and they all do well. As we said at the beginning of the video, there's a large residential population, a lot of homes, a lot of residential communities, I should say, in this area. And so you find that these plazas do very well. Also, a little up from Ligonier is the University of the West Indies and the University of Technology. Those are probably the 2 largest universities in Jamaica. So that helps with the traffic that visits these places. Straight ahead you can see a abandoned building. It used to be a place to fix car tires, mechanic work, but behind it you can see a tire warehouse that was recently built. So when the tire warehouse was built, this building was abandoned. I'm not sure if the same persons that owned that building set up the tire warehouse, but it was abandoned when the tire warehouse opened. Okay, wow, I didn't even realize they had a Tasty Patties over there. Alright, on the left is a gas station, Total Energies, and they seem to have changed their name recently. It used to be just Total, now they have Total Energies, which is and they have a new logo. Okay, as we turn right, look on the right hand side and you're going to see a Tasty Patty location. I never really noticed that location before. It must be new, because they have a Sugar and Spice further up the road, and it's very weird that you would have the two so close to each other. But as we said, it's a very busy area, so anything is possible. Now we're at the intersection with Barbican Road, Hope Road, and Old Hope Road. We're going to turn right and go on to Old Hope Road. If we went straight, that would be Old Hope Road, and if we turn right, that would be Hope Road. Okay, there you can see it on the right, a tasty patty location. Never noticed it before. Okay, on the left is Lane Plaza, on the right is Ligonier Plaza. And Ligonier also has a lot of banks. Well, it's only natural, it's a very popular residential area. You have NCB, BNS, Sagicor, First Caribbean, all the major banks have a location up here. Okay, on the right, on the left, sorry, is Plaza, but that is more office buildings, doctor buildings. I call it 129 Pro. Okay, over on the left is Sugar and Spice, where they sell tasty patties. That's why I was saying the two stores are very close to each other. Okay, on the left is another mall. I don't remember what the name of that mall is, but it has been there for a very long time. Okay, on the left is Super Value Home Center, very big hardware store. And then there's another mall up here with a Shoppers Fair supermarket. I'm not sure what the name of the mall is, but it's over there on the left. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Oh, there's another plaza on the right, waterfalls. And there are one or two other smaller plazas that we didn't drive by, but there are a few more plazas in Ligonier. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.